I got a Honda MKX today, and the customer brought his own key in, and he didn't bring the right key, so it wouldn't program to the car, and then the nephew couldn't get the car to turn on. So if you ever get into that situation as the person trying to program it, the only way to keep the car on long enough to program it is open and close your door the entire 10-minute security, and make sure that your dash light on and your computer panel light stays on. Don't let it time out. That'll stay on. If that goes off, you gotta make sure you open and close your door. It's the only way to keep the computer talking to your programmer. That's what happens if you don't have enough keys in it.